Welcome to Singing with Ron.
Hello, welcome back. And this installment, I want to talk about twisting and its benefits for singing. So, when you have these muscles in here called your obliques, and when your obliques twist and help you to twist, it helps you to let go of your rectus abdominis. So your rectus abdominis goes like this, and when you start to twist, it helps you to start breathing into these other muscles. So one little simple exercise to do while you're singing is just to twist back and forth. Happy birthday to you. If I'm all tense, happy birthday to you. It just helps to loosen everything up in your torso and help you to find the right support. Thanks.